Hello, welcome to my channel, Big Bentronics. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button um, so you can get more of my amazing videos. Today, we would be unboxing um, one of this device I bought from Facebook, um, a car cleaner, but of course, you can also use it for other cleaning activities that you want to do. So, um, permit me to introduce to you these amazing products. It's called a car washing um, artifact. So, like I said, you can use it for other products as well. You can not only for cars, you can also use it to wash doors, to wash your tires, to wash your bedroom. And of course, it's a very good way. So let's look at what is there. So the first thing you've got here, you've got this cable. Now this is pretty good because of course from here, this is a very long cable. So which means you can actually uh, use this over a long distance. Wow, I've got two rechargeable batteries here. Two rechargeable batteries, but I observe that one seems heavier than the other. This is lighter, this is heavier. So let's see the products. Okay, so apparently I can say this might be the original, this might be the fake. um, the shapes are almost the same, but the products are different. Of course, definitely they are from different manufacturers, so that is one of the things you want to watch out for. All right, so we've got two batteries. When one is down, we can always use the other one. But I'm not seeing a charger here. I think it comes with a charger. Yes, it should come with a charger. Yes, should come with a charger. um okay, found it. I guess this is the charger. That must have come with it. So yeah, you've got well, actually got this through a drop ship. So that is the way to charge. And of course, we can always put this to the wall socket in case you need to make use of it. All right, so that's for the charger. So so these are the batteries. Okay, so next you've got this cup for your soap, or the foamy part where you can mix your foam, your soap. You can even use I'm going to show you later on how you can use a bottle like this in place of this cover, so you can actually replace this with this. I'm going to show you that in the next video. Of course, here you've got your connector. I guess this would, of course, again, you've got this this is this sprayer itself, so you can see there's no label. Well, let's hope it works because there's no company name. It looks like a generic product. So that's what you get when you buy from dealers that are not known. You get so this definitely would fit in here, and your pipe will come somewhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install this. So you've got your connector, your water inlet. So the water is going to come in through here, and of course, flow in through here and out of the system. So there you have that. So you've got this little nice looking sprinklers. Of course, there are two in case you want to replace them. One is red, one is white, but of course they obviously do the same job. um, and of course you've got this extra connector. Remember I was telling you about this? So technically you can use this to connect to a Coke bottle. Please don't use any other bottle. I guess the designer actually 3D printed this only for this Coke cover, so you can use that to do the job of this. Of course, you'll still need a pipe like that. And lastly, we've got two devices left. You've got this is the filtering screen. Of course, this is going to be in the water to prevent you from sucking dangerous particles like stones. So you must connect this to one end of your pipe here to prevent you from sucking up unnecessary um, objects that might actually impede or destroy your device. And lastly, you've got the nozzle. So here is the nozzle. So one of these is going to fit in here, and of course this is going to fit in to one of this. So that's what you have. I think I got these around 60,000 or thereabouts. So the next video I'm going to show you how to install all of these devices. Basically, that's why we bought them. We didn't just want to look at them, we want to put them to use. So I'm going to show you how to put them into use. Just putting everything in place. So this is what you get with your money, of course. And you've got this beautiful guy here. So join me in the next video and let me show you how to bring all of this together. Thank you for watching.